Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a building. And well, first the most it's a tutorial, but mainly is making a good door though. Alright, so you just want to make it you could make it light blue or whatever, but the transparency has to be 0.5. So see, look, this is 0, this is full 0.35. Oh damn it, I lost my place. 0.35. There we go. Okay, so so we have to anchor it, of course. Let's duplicate it. Alright, oh wait, I just forgot one thing. But yeah, okay, but I forgot one thing. I'm probably gonna maybe do some recording, but I don't know, because tomorrow I'm gonna pack up for Miami. Aren't you guys excited for me? Well, I'm not trying to be selfish, but anyway, I am going to go to Miami. Okay, so to make this door go throughable, okay, I'll test it. Okay, I'll test it. You know how doors have to go through and you can't go through it? I'm going to show you how to go through it. Okay, so basically you're going to have to insert an object block mesh, and you have to uncheck can collide, and that'll make it go throughable. Okay, so now I'm going to test it again, and it will be throughable. See? That's how you do it. Okay, so okay, to make the door look better and make designs on it, you'll just have to do a fancy old color or whatever, and you'll just have to that's a good spot. Anyway, okay, so design. You'll just put a design onto your little port or pattern, like this and stuff, these. And I choose these. Okay, and we're gonna have to do it on each side. And this part is going to be about little boy. And on the bottom. Alright, so since we've done that, we just have to duplicate it around there. So once you've done that, made a design for your door and all that other stuff, you'll just wanna, you'll just want, oh, forgot one thing. Okay, so in this building that we're gonna make, is gonna be a, let's do a bar, cause I already had the idea in the first place. So, okay, so to me, since I watch a lot of Family Guy, I think I already kind of know what a bar would look like. So let's just anchor that, duplicate it, so that we can make some bar. Okay. Checking those. Okay, so these have to be even. If I don't finish this in one video, since I don't have Screencast-O-Matic Pro, I'll make a part 2. Alright, so okay. Even. Not even. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? Stupid me. Okay, so okay guys, so if we want to make our ball, we gotta set up, we have to make more walls. Okay, so once we made the walls, we're going to put in some furniture, or actually we're gonna make them then by themselves. Okay, so now we're gonna make the counter. Okay. And we're gonna duplicate it. First we want to anchor it, and then duplicate, and then duplicate, and duplicate. Okay, so now we're gonna make the top of the table. Okay. Okay. Anchor. Okay. That's not what I meant. Okay, so we're gonna make like this cylinder. Oh my gosh. Alright, so now we're gonna rotate it up. So if we're gonna make a bowl, we're gonna have to make a beer. So in how to make some beer, we're gonna have to make the glass kind of transparent. Wait. Okay, two sounds good. And we're gonna have it be in that type of glass. And we're gonna uncheck can colloid. Oh, wait, are we gonna wait? What? Wait, well, okay, so we're just going to, well, wait, all this doesn't make sense. Oh, okay, so we're just gonna leave it in, never mind. Okay, so we're gonna make another, wait, let's just duplicate it. I'm too lazy to do it. And we're gonna make it kind of like a beer color, which would be kind of like that color. Oh, what the heck is it doing? I said, what the hell? What the heck is it doing? Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm just gonna move it right there. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm just gonna make it a little more non-transparent, and then make the other motor yeah, this is how we kind of do make a beer. Oh my gosh, what the hell is it doing? Alright, and we're gonna name it beer. Oh right, we need a handle. Okay, so once we made some beer, we're gonna have to make like some cashew or whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to my models. You could pick any person. Alright, so oh mother, never mind. Just gonna put that in, but anyway, is this even gonna work? I don't know. Anyway, so we're just gonna add a person. I'm too lazy to build a person. Okay, so let's just name her Maya. You can name her whatever you want. Okay. Okay, so Alright, so now to make the seats. So, if we want it to look like a cool looking ball, we're going to make it into like a booth. Booth brown, okay. Okay, so it's going to be fabric. Alright, so once you made the booth, you're gonna add an extra layer of fabric to make it dark reddish, to make it look good. Alright, so we got some fabric for our little booth. Alright. Okay, so anyway, so we're just gonna duplicate that. Alright, so once you created your ball, you're going to go to workspace and insert object, seat. So we can make these sittable. We're gonna have to make it long enough to fit all this. Don't worry, it's almost 15 minutes. We're gonna get it done. Alright, so if we want to make all this, okay, so we're gonna make all the seats. I'm gonna scale all of them and make, nope. Okay, so we're just gonna make them all faded, transparent. Now let's test it out. Alright, so now we're gonna test our bar. We're gonna test the seats if they work or not. Alright, let's see. And it works. See, I told you. Haha. Alright, we're gonna finish this now. Alright, so once you have all this and stuff, you'll just do this all on your own. Okay, so yeah. Crap. Oh shit. Oh. Alright, so we just gonna go right here and stuff. Okay, so just do that. F. Okay, so we just go over there and okay, notice, okay, then we just duplicate it, obviously, stupid idiots. Why is life so miserable, having to tell people stuff? Why can't they just figure it out on their own now? Oh crap, they probably heard me now. Anyway, just do that. No, then just duplicate stuff, duplicate. You know what the drill is. Duplicate. You know the drill. And then we just do the roof. I just built this roof, and I don't care if I didn't show you, because it'll take a long time for me to show you fucking bastards what to do, and I don't care if YouTube bans my account, because I don't even fucking care. I don't want to even fucking show you all this, because someone in my family had to make me. Okay, whatever, now let's just go test it. Oh my gosh, people are such bastards. Oh my gosh, hurry. I don't have enough time. Alright, then we just enter the bar, sit down, drink some beer, play some music or whatever, like this or whatever. Yeah, okay, yeah. Congratulate me, yeah. Ask me a questions, and yeah, user log, yeah, whatever. Okay, and now hope you made this right. Alright, so bye, subscribe, yes, subscribe, please, subscribe, like. I don't care if you say anything that's negative, because you guys are bad.